This is such a beautiful box they sent me. I think the intention is somewhere right because they have featured different ethnicity of women and different skin tones. So I think they're getting there. But like Maybelline has a lot more shades, L'Oreal needs to buck up and come up with more shades for sure. This is going to be a quick mini review of the foundation, and I will show you a demo. I will show you swatches of all the shades that I have. I'm going to get into the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Let's go. हाय, मेरा नाम है aparna गणेश और मैं आपका स्वागत करती हूँ JoyGeeks में। यहाँ मैं ब्यूटी वेलनेस दोनों की वीडियोस बनाती हूँ। आज एक फाउंडेशन का वीडियो है। बहुत लोग मुझे पूछ रहे थे how do you apply foundation, how does one really go about it. So today I'm featuring L'Oreal's foundation. They sent me their entire range. This is it. This is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Why I'm doing this video, despite this not being a new launch, is because now they have dropped the price from, I think earlier the price was $1,050 and now it's only $750. I think that's a very, very good price, and you get 30 ml for $750. The finish is demi matte, they're calling it, but I think it's pretty matte. I'll just show you. This is what they sent me. This has about few shades. They have 2 more shades in this, and I think that L'Oreal definitely can improve their the skin colors. मुझे 2 shade mix करना पड़ता है to get my exact shade. That is what I have on my face actually right now, and that is the only thing I have on my face. I just did some eyebrow, just a little concealer and lipstick. I have no powder on my face as well. So this is the entire range they have. Starts from 101 all the way to 108. They have 109 which was not in stock, and I got 110, which is this one, which is I think the darkest shade they have. In MAC I'm an NC42, and in Maybelline I'll add my shade on the screen. I will add the other foundations that I use on the screen. पर फिलहाल ये उन्होंने भेजा है. I will swatch it for you. I will show you a demo of how I did this, and there is nothing else on my face. कुछ काजल नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, mascara नहीं है. It's just the foundation bare, because that's how I just wanted to show it to you. I have tested this for a while. I have tested this a couple of times before I did this video, and although they say it's 24-hour wear, for sure I have not tried it for 24 hours. I would never do that. I would never have a foundation on for that long. पर क्या ये उतना टिकेगा? I will take you through as I speak in the demo, and I'll help you understand how it works. I think this is a perfect match for me, and I've kind of mixed 2 shades. That's 108. I think for winters this would be just right for me, but right now I'm transiting from winter to summer, so I had to mix 110. I haven't tried 109. मुझे नहीं पता उसका क्या है, skin, what tone it is, but maybe that would be perfect for me because it's in between. I don't know. For now, I'm mixing a wee bit of 110 into 108 to get a perfect shade for me, because I like my foundation looking very natural. मुझे बिल्कुल भी अपने से bright light नहीं दिखना है. So this is what I do for my skin. My skin is normal generally, but these days I think it's slightly leaning towards the dry side. And जब मैंने इसे try किया था, I would say that if you wear this without a thick moisturizer, it can be drying. Especially for dry girls, you have to really, really heavily moisturize your face. But now it's not going to be okay for you. It will cling to dry patches, and it will give you your laugh line and stuff. Which is what I experienced. जब मैंने बहुत I just wore it without a heavy base moisturizer. But today, before I apply this, I did put a moisturizer, a heavy one, and I used a sponge to do it, and I can see the differences a lot more. I used it with the beauty blender, but if I just use it with my finger, I think it's very stark matte actually. This is going to be excellent for oily skin girls. This is going to be a dream come true actually for you, because this does stay matte. I think the finish was very nice. It's very fine. In the demo, I did apply the first coat, and it looked pretty natural, and then I wanted a little more coverage. तो मैंने दूसरा कोट लगाया and I think it's doing pretty well. You can see that's all I have on my face. I like the finish. So what they say is that it wears up to 24 hours. I can't vouch for that, but it is very long staying for sure. Coverage medium, I would say. It is a little more than medium, I think. I think it's a little more than medium by my standards. I like very thin coverage actually. Texture is airlight. I agree. You don't feel it on your face. You don't feel कि अरे यार क्या लगा दिया face पे. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So I definitely recommend this to you. Definitely, especially क्योंकि अभी 750 का हो गया है. But L'Oreal must look at getting more shades because the foundation is really nice. For some reason, there's a difference in the packaging for 101 as compared to the rest. This is what the normal packaging is, and 101 is like this. It says it has SPF 16, long wear matte foundation, 35 ml. I'm just bringing it to your notice क्योंकि मुझे दिख रहा है, but I will swatch the whole thing for you. I wouldn't recommend this foundation to be used as concealer for sure because it is a very dry area anyway under eyes. You don't want to make it look textured and patterned. तो आप ये बस आपके चेहरे के लिए रखिए. It's going to be great for summer especially. I think foundation का सबसे important ये है that it should look like skin. ये मेरे लिए बहुत important है. It should not look like you have put on something else. It is only to kind of even out your skin texture because sometimes you have some difference in skin tones, and also it creates like a base for the blush to kind of hang on to, the bronzer to hang on to, and to just give a good canvas. The duty of a foundation बिल्कुल भी ये नहीं है ड्यूटी फाउंडेशन का कि वो आपको गोरा और दिखाए या कुछ और दिखाए. If we can just accept our skin tone like the way it is, it would be really nice because we are all so gifted with our natural skin colors. And let's enjoy it. I definitely like it. You can accuse me of using a wee bit darker shade actually than my own skin tone, but that's because I like to look a little darker than look a little lighter. Lighter बहुत अजीब दिखता है. हल्का सा डार्क मुझे लगता है that it passes off. Let me show you something. Now when you put your foundation, if you compare it with my arm, see right now I think this foundation is bang on, right? Now if I was to wear something deeper neck, can you see? Can you see? This is so much lighter. If I was wearing a deeper neck, I would have to put my foundation all the way here because I am normally covered. This is a lot lighter. This is darker. तो ये आप ध्यान रखिए प्लीज़. अगर आपने साड़ी ब्लाउज पहना है, थोड़ा डीप नेक कोई ड्रेस पहना है, आप प्लीज़ पूरी तरीके से लगाइए या फिर यही स्किन टोन का आप फाउंडेशन लगाइए. सो यू विल लुक लाइटर ऑन योर एंटायर फेस. मैं वो पसंद नहीं करती नॉर्मली, सो आई वुड रादर मेक इट डार्कर. आई एम जस्ट लेटिंग यू नो दैट दिस इज हाउ इट इज. सो से कैन यू सी द डिफरेंस? इट्स सो स्टार्क. So see, now it's looking perfectly fine. So you just need to make sure that you're considering what outfit you're wearing when you put the foundation on, and it will work fine for you. So बहुत लोग मुझे कहते हैं कि to show you how to apply a foundation, what is the best way of doing it, how to get your correct skin tone and stuff. The first thing is to just accept your skin color. जैसा भी आपका स्किन है, don't try to wear foundations 4 shades lighter. There is cool tone, warm tone, lots of things I understand. Maybe I'll do a really detailed video separately. But अभी के लिए I'm just giving you some quick tips. अगर आपको natural finish चाहिए तो beauty blender definitely really helps. Much more than a brush because a brush makes it look more full coverage is more. It can look streaky with a brush अगर आपने अच्छे से blend नहीं किया. The overall look is more kind of airbrushed with a sponge. So definitely I'd like you to do that. I would like you to जब आप दुकान में जाते हो लेने के लिए, please carry your own brushes or own sponge or something. Do not use. Look, I'm liking to make these videos, you know, with very basic minimal makeup. You know, that's just how I am. आप मुझे बताइए comments में, would you like a full face of makeup? I would do that too in some videos, but since this was only about foundation, I just really wanted to focus on that so you can really see the skin. Because if I even put powder on this and then found you know, the blush and everything, that would not show you my foundation all the time. 3 important things to make this foundation really work well. 1 is heavily moisturize your face. Second, use a sponge. If you have very dry skin, I think definitely soak your sponge with a facial spray. That would really help you. That's the second one, to give a very even finish. The third one is heavily douse yourself with a fixing spray, which is dewy or which is you know, going to moisturize your face. आप ये 3 करोगे, your foundation will definitely look really nice. If you are even a normal skin tone or a dry skin girl, for oily skin girls, you can just apply this and see how that works for you. I think you'll do just fine. It would be lovely for the family of JoyGeeks to grow. So hit on the subscribe button if you like these kind of videos. The notification bell will help you get updated on latest posts, and do comment, let me know how this works for you. I hope you guys are following me on Insta. There's always lots of fun things happening in stories, and you know, quick reviews, mini reviews happening there. Do follow me. It's JoyGeeks on Insta. It's JoyGeeks on Facebook as well. So I look forward to seeing you there. See you.